Start. In the course of the debate yesterday on the Home Ministry's demands, a number of points were raised by honorable members. In particular, I am happy that some members of this House appreciated the efforts that were being made by the state governments as also by the center so far as the various subjects under discussion were concerned, especially so far as the law and order situation was concerned. It was very good on the part of some members to have appreciated the efforts made by the state governments in this regard. Para. There were a number of other points also which were raised, and in respect of some of them I should like to enlighten the House so far as the real position is concerned. These points deal very briefly with Tripura, the Andamans, Delhi, and Gujarat, and they have also some bearing on the question of the scheduled caste, the scheduled tribes, and the services. These, therefore, are the various points, and I should like to place the correct picture before this House so that the House will know what government have been doing so far as all these questions are concerned. Para. With your permission, I would deal briefly with Tripura first. When the Part C States Act was passed in view of a number of circumstances, the geographical position of the state, the backward nature of the state, the existence of a very large number of tribal people, and a number of other circumstances, it was considered advisable so far as the administration of the state was concerned that it ought to be directly under the government of India so that they can spend more for the purpose of developing this backward area. Now, the question is often raised why we are not immediately introducing popular government in this tiny state, the population of which is 500,000. That question cannot be considered singly but will be considered in the context of the report that we are receiving very shortly in this course of the next 3 or 4 months from the States Reorganization Commission. The whole question will be considered, their recommendations will be placed before the House, and only then government will take appropriate action. So far as the present regime is concerned, it will also be kindly noted that it is not an autocratic rule in the popularly accepted sense of the term. Over.